Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to disassemble your gamepad to your PlayStation 3. First of all, you need to unscrew 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up back plastic from here and here and carefully disassembly up. On the up you're gonna have 2 buttons, one here and one here. You can pull up it from the case, and here you have to get a motherboard, battery, vibration, flex. I will show you this flex. Here. This is the flex to your buttons, and that's all of the old parts. This is the plastic with the vibration. Here you have got a flex, and build of this gamepad is quite easy. Second option of your gamepad is here. This is the newest gamepad from PS3. Here I got motherboard from the newest pad. It's quite smaller than old version, and it's the same as in this pad. You have flex, but two flex, 2 analog buttons and standard buttons, 2 vibration, and that's all. Motherboard has got 1 screw. I will show you, it's down here. You need to unscrew to remove the motherboard, and that's all. I will show you all the parts from the gamepad, and you can easily repair everything on your pads. So I hope the video you enjoy. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!